comes the moment. They're waiting. Oh shit! Yo, you guys see that? 199.8.
Should do it again.
Dude, under 200. That's under 200 pounds. Under 200 pounds. Dude, how do you feel?
Feel good. Feel proud.
Dude, that's 70 pounds. 70 point. You started at 270. Yeah, that's crazy. Can you check? Like, a little, put it a little lower.
Right there?
Yeah. Dude. What did you, what?
35? 36.
37. Well, a little bit under 30. No, actually, yeah, right at 37. Because last time it was at 39, 40, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm. Well, she said 36 and a half, so probably.
Yeah, but when we measured you at the gym, what was it?
39. It was barely 39.
Yeah.
Wow, look at you.
All right, guys, what you guys just saw was Destiny's weighing. If you guys remember, her first day, she was weighing 270 pounds, so that's 70 pounds down. Everybody give it up for Destiny. So today's workout, we got beginners follow along abs workout. So we're gonna start off with crunches. Let's get straight to it. So how it works is I'm gonna explain the exercise. The first workout, we're gonna do 15 reps. Right after we're done with the exercise, the only rest you get is when I explain the next exercise. Hope you guys are ready. So crunches. We're gonna be in sit-up position, and all you're gonna do is pick up your upper back off the ground to complete one rep. 15, let's go. You should be feeling your upper abs, just the upper abs. Okay, next exercise, we got in and outs. So you're gonna get on your butt. All you're gonna do is you're gonna put your hands on the ground. You're gonna bring the knees in and then out. This for the lower abs, let's go. Make sure your feet never hit the ground. That's the hardest part, not letting the feet hit the ground. It's normal if you feel the upper part of the legs. You're working your entire core with this exercise as well. All the way to 15 reps. Okay, now we got heel touches. So you're gonna get back in sit-up position. All you're gonna do is slide your arm to your heel. As soon as your fingers touch your heel, that's one rep. You move on to the next one. All the way to 20 reps together. Make sure your heels are not too close, because then you're gonna be touching them like this. Make sure they're not too far, because then you're not gonna be able to touch them. So a good distance. You're gonna feel the side of your stomach working all the way to 20 reps. Let's go, Lily. Michelle, you're done? Okay, now we got Criss Cross. We're gonna do 30 reps. So back in sit-up position. This one's gonna be a little bit more difficult. You're gonna feel the lower abs. All you're gonna do is pick your legs up, don't let them hit the ground, and you're just gonna go in a crisscross just like this, without letting your feet hit the ground. So just 1, 2, 3, all the way to 30 reps. You're gonna feel the lower abs working. And again, you might feel your upper thighs, that's completely normal. Push through, push through. You can almost get yours, Michelle. Okay, now we got hands to the heaven. So you're gonna extend your legs. All you're gonna do is point your hands towards the ceiling, and you're gonna have your upper back pick up off the ground, just like that. That's one rep. We're gonna go all the way to 15 reps. And you're gonna feel the upper abs with this one. As soon as the upper back picks up, that's all you need. You don't need to go all the way. You don't need to do all that. Just off the ground. 15 reps. You're gonna feel the upper abs. You might feel the middle. Feel a good burn. Let's go, guys, let's go. Okay, right after that, we got planks. So we're gonna get in plank position. We're gonna do it for 30 seconds. You guys ready? Let's go. So for this one, make sure your elbows are right below your shoulders. You wanna make sure your body is straight. Just like this. You don't want the hips up too high. It's normal that happens in the beginning. You just gotta work on it. And eventually you wanna look like this when you're doing the plank. We got 8 seconds. Let's go, Destiny, let's go. Killing it. All right, we're done. Okay, we got 2 more workouts. The next one is gonna be side crunches. So we're back in sit-up position. What you're gonna do is you're gonna put one foot over the other. Opposite elbow hits opposite knee, like that. 15 each side. And you're gonna feel the side that you're working is the one with the elbow. So if you're doing the left elbow, you're gonna be feeling that left side. Push it, just 15. Okay, then we got the other side, 15 more. You got it, Destiny. Let's go, Michelle. Okay. All done? 15. Okay. Hope you guys are doing good. Remember, if you guys need longer breaks, pause the video, and then when you're good, play it. We're gonna be right here. Last one, we're gonna do Starfish. 30 seconds, Starfish. You're gonna pick up your feet off the ground, arms are off the ground, chins tucked in. 30 seconds, let's go. Just hold this position, don't let anything hit the ground. Ooh, this one's a killer at the end. You're gonna feel your entire core. Your legs are gonna be shaking. 15 seconds, let's go. Don't let anything hit the ground, Lily, Destiny. Good job, Michelle. Come on. We got 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and we done. Woo. Damn, that was good. We did it. Good job, Lily. How was it? Harder than you thought? A little bit, huh?
Yeah.